Hello everybody, welcome back to Channels of Machinery, a complete model for effective and sustainable pig farming. Pig farming has evolved significantly over the years, transitioning from traditional practices to more structured, scientifically informed methods. An effective and sustainable pig farming model not only focuses on maximizing productivity but also emphasizes animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and economic viability. This approach integrates various stages, from the careful management of newborn piglets to the processing of mature pigs for the market. Below is a comprehensive look at the key components of a successful and responsible pig farming model. Sows, which are female pigs, are typically housed in individual iron cages to ensure controlled breeding conditions. These cages, though controversial, help manage the sows during the insemination process and provide a structured environment where they are closely monitored. This setting allows farm workers to ensure the insemination process is successful, enhancing the chances of producing strong and healthy piglets. At the heart of a pig farming operation is the breeding process. Modern pig farms rely heavily on artificial insemination, to ensure high-quality pig breeds. This method allows farmers to select desirable traits, such as growth rate, feed efficiency, and disease resistance from genetically superior boars. AI ensures genetic diversity and contributes to the production of healthier and more productive litters. Once a sow gives birth, the health of newborn piglets is a top priority. Piglets are fragile in their early stages of life, requiring careful attention. Farmers check the newborns for health and quality, assessing factors like weight, activity levels, and ability to feed from the sow. Immediate intervention is necessary if any piglet shows signs of weakness or illness. Providing a warm, clean, and comfortable environment is crucial for the survival of piglets. Farrowing crates, designed to protect piglets from being accidentally crushed by the sow, are commonly used in modern pig farming. These crates also allow piglets easy access to the mother for feeding while keeping them safe. Additionally, piglets are often given supplemental nutrition, including iron injections, to prevent anemia, which is common among newborn pigs. Proper nutrition is vital for both sows and piglets. A balanced diet ensures that sows produce high-quality milk for their young, and piglets grow quickly and healthily. Farmers typically provide specialized feed, rich in essential nutrients such as proteins, vitamins, and minerals, to support the growth and development of the pigs at different stages of their lives. The barn, or piggery, plays a crucial role in the overall health and productivity of the pigs. A well-managed barn ensures that pigs have a comfortable living environment, which is essential for both animal welfare and productivity. In a sustainable farming model, housing should be spacious enough to allow pigs to move freely while providing protection from extreme weather conditions. Regular cleaning and disinfection of the barn are necessary to prevent the spread of diseases. Pigs are susceptible to various illnesses, many of which thrive in unsanitary conditions. Thus, modern pig farms implement strict hygiene protocols, including daily cleaning of pens and frequent disinfection to eliminate harmful pathogens. Disease outbreaks can devastate a pig farm, leading to significant economic losses and animal suffering. Preventive measures, including vaccinations and regular health checks, are essential components of a sustainable pig farming model. Farmers work closely with veterinarians to establish vaccination schedules and monitor for signs of illness. Once pigs reach market weight, typically between 100 to 120 kilograms, they are transported to the slaughterhouse. The transportation process must be carefully managed to minimize stress and ensure the welfare of the animals. Overcrowded trucks, rough handling, or long travel distances can lead to injuries and increased mortality rates. To reduce stress, farmers are encouraged to follow best practices for animal transportation, including providing ample space, proper ventilation, and minimizing transport times. Once at the slaughterhouse, pigs should be handled humanely in accordance with ethical and legal standards. In a modern pig slaughter and cutting plant, efficiency and hygiene are paramount to ensuring the highest quality pork products. The process begins with the slaughter of pigs, followed by thorough cleaning procedures. After the initial stunning and slaughtering, the pigs are washed and watered to remove all hair, ensuring that the carcasses are free from any external contaminants. The abdomen is carefully opened to avoid contamination, and a crucial step is taken where the rectum is bagged, preventing any waste from spilling. The rumen, a part of the digestive system, is hygienically removed in preparation for the subsequent processing steps. Following this, the carcass moves to the automatic cutting line, where advanced technology takes over. Utilizing a fully automated system based on servo-electric and mechanical principles, the line is designed to cut the pig into 4 main parts: the hind feet, leg, middle, and shoulder. This precise and systematic approach not only improves the speed and efficiency of the operation, but also ensures that each carcass is handled with care to maximize yield. The automatic measuring system plays a key role here, as it measures the carcass to ensure the most accurate cuts, optimizing both the registration process and labor savings. This technology-driven process streamlines operations, reduces manual labor, and enhances overall productivity in the plant, ensuring that the pork is processed in a manner that meets both safety and quality standards. Smoked sausage production line. At a modern factory, smoked sausage is a beloved food product, enjoyed globally for its savory flavors and rich, smoky aroma. Behind the scenes, producing smoked sausages at a modern factory is a complex process that blends technology, craftsmanship, and stringent food safety standards. The sausage production line is an intricate system that transforms raw meat into delicious, ready-to-eat products. The journey of a smoked sausage begins with the careful selection of raw materials, which are usually high-quality cuts of pork, beef, or poultry. The meat is delivered to the factory in refrigerated trucks, ensuring it remains at the correct temperature to prevent contamination. Upon arrival, the meat undergoes rigorous inspection to confirm that it meets the factory's quality and safety standards. Once approved, the meat is stored in cold rooms before being processed. The first step in the production line is to grind the meat to the desired consistency. Different textures, from coarse to fine, can be achieved depending on the type of sausage being produced. The grinding process is carefully monitored to ensure uniformity, which is crucial for the sausage's overall taste and texture. After grinding, the next stage is mixing, where the ground meat is combined with other ingredients, including salt, spices, herbs, and preservatives. The exact recipe varies from one sausage type to another, but most smoked sausages include a combination of garlic, paprika, pepper, and other spices. During this stage, the mixture might also include binding agents like soy protein or breadcrumbs to improve texture, and ice or water to keep the temperature low and ensure the mixture remains emulsified. The goal is to create a balanced blend, locks and flavor while maintaining the right texture. At modern factories, this mixing process is often automated, with machines equipped with paddles and agitators to thoroughly mix the ingredients. The consistency and timing are crucial. Too little mixing results in uneven flavor distribution, while too much can affect the texture. Once the sausage mixture is ready, it's time for the filling stage. Here, the mixture is funneled into casings, typically made from natural intestines or synthetic materials like collagen. Casings play a crucial role in the structure and mouthfeel of the sausage. Natural casings, for example, are favored for their snap when bitten into, while synthetic casings offer durability and uniformity. Once the sausage mixture is ready, it's time for the filling stage. Here, the mixture is funneled into casings, typically made from natural intestines or synthetic materials like collagen. Casings play a crucial role in the structure and mouthfeel of the sausage. Natural casings, for example, are favored for their snap when bitten into, while synthetic casings offer durability and uniformity. In addition to smoking, the sausages undergo a cooking process in these chambers, typically through steaming or baking, which brings them to the appropriate level of doneness. Temperature control is vital here, as undercooking can leave harmful bacteria in the product, while overcooking can result in dry, tough sausages. After the sausages are smoked and fully cooked, they are quickly cooled to prevent spoilage. This step is critical to maintaining food safety standards and extending the shelf life of the product. The cooling process usually involves passing the sausages through refrigeration tunnels, where cold air is circulated rapidly to bring the sausages down to a safe temperature. Once cooled, the sausages are inspected for quality before heading to the packaging line. Packaging is another area where modern technology plays a significant role. Automated machines package the sausages in vacuum-sealed bags or shrink-wrapped containers to protect them from contamination and extend their freshness. Depending on the product, the packaging may include modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, where the air inside the package is replaced with a gas mixture that slows down the growth of bacteria, keeping the sausages fresh for longer periods.